Hello everyone, it's Iveoma, your guide to Africa, and today I'm going to be talking about 7 Nigerian investment apps and websites. All of this is coming up. Please make sure to like and comment and share my videos. It's a way that you can support my channel. Thank you. After my last video, I got a lot of requests to do this video. All 7 companies on this list make it very easy to invest in Nigerian stock, mutual bonds, and agriculture, agribusiness, and real estate. I was a little bit reluctant to do this investment video because many of these companies, you actually do need a Nigerian bank account. Just keep this in mind as you relocate and you have your Nigerian bank account that you can invest and use all of these apps. The Bamboo app you can use from the US, so that's why I started the list with Bamboo. Bamboo makes it very easy to invest and trade in Nigerian stock, even from the US, so that's why I started with that one. You do not need a Nigerian bank account. So the Bamboo app is for Nigerians who want to diversify their investments. So the Naira, which is the local currency here, fluctuates so much that people are always looking at how to invest in stronger currency. So this is actually an opportunity for people outside of Nigeria because they do offer Nigerian stock. I don't know why at the moment it says Nigerian stock coming soon, because I checked this app a couple of weeks ago. You were able to purchase Nigerian stocks. I don't know what the issue is now, but normally I know somebody who uses this, they're able to purchase Nigerian stock from the US. The second company on the list is Agro Partnerships. I love this company. Let me tell you why. A digital platform for agribusiness, invest in farms, trade in commodities. Here's the rest of our website. But really, let's just focus on this. Let's look at these huge returns. 35% in 9 months, bruh. 33% return in 9 months. Oh, these are beautiful. 30% return in 7 months. You get an email, they open up every couple of months. So when you sign up and you get that email, you need to buy then. It sells out so fast. I signed up with them because there was a recommendation from another YouTuber, Atem, and she was talking about high rates of return, and so that's the reason I signed up for it, and I used her referral code. Oh, by the way, all the companies on the list I am putting in my description box, and many of them have a referral code. So if you do sign up to any of these companies, please use my referral code. It will do so much to support this channel. Okay. The third company is called Thrive Agri, and it's another Thrive AGRIC. I was not pronouncing this correctly earlier. This is fund a farmer, make a profit, partner in our journey to empower farmers and build an Africa that feeds the world in itself. Like, beautiful mission. Scroll down. Okay, so here's the important stuff. Our farms. Here's the percentages. As you see, it's not as high as Agro Partnerships, but it's just good to just put money in. This is a 12% return in 6 months, 14% return in 6 months. The next one is 20% return in 9 months. They make you feel like you're investing in a farmer, you're investing in a farm. The percentages though are much lower than Agro Partnerships, but there's like so much more options. So I definitely, and their website's incredibly easy to use. I actually download way more apps, but the reason I chose these companies on this list is because honestly, I felt like they were the easiest to use, beginner friendly, beautiful apps and websites, and the rate of return was really, really good. No glitches, like any app that gave me any problems, I took them off this list. Like I don't play those games. You guys, I want to give you guys the best info. All these companies are very easy to use, and that's what I was looking for. I'm looking for beginner stuff. I'm a beginner investor. I am not a pro. Let's jump to Piggy Vest. Now, Piggy Vest is one of my favorite apps on this list. The Better Way to Save and Invest app. Piggy Vest helps you achieve financial freedom by enabling you to save responsibly and invest on the go. Earn 10 to 15.5% interest on savings. Earn over 25% return on investments. So it's beautiful. It's a beautiful savings app, and the website is very easy to use. Wealth.ng is an app that it allows you to invest in Nigerian stock market, real estate, agriculture, and treasury bills. So wealth.ng, the slogan is all your investments in one place. Access multiple investment opportunities on wealth.ng. So pay for your investments in any currency. I know that's what you guys are interested in. And earn interest rates up to 18%. So yeah, now let's take a look at the app. So you can see I'm trying to check out 3 things. But yeah, recommended. There's a treasury bill, there's wealth cash. Scroll down. Look, as you can see, you see Nigerian stock. So this is actually pretty cool. These are some Nigerian stock that you can purchase. Then there's fixed income bestsellers, which are like treasury bills and bonds. And then there's the Agri evolution. So I think that's pretty cool. So the next one is COWRYWISE. The next company is called COWRYWISE, which is Get Your Money Working. With impressive interest rates and app tools and guides, COWRYWISE is the smartest way to plan, save, and invest. So it's 3 steps to financial freedom: plan money, save money, invest money. Start wealth building in 5 minutes. Create an account, add a payment method, watch your money grow. Your money is well protected. So yeah. This is also a savings. Oh yeah, and I love this. No annual fees. I love that. And this is somebody's review. So it's pretty cool. As you can see, it's for a Nigerian audience. It's a savings account, plus it allows you to invest in. Okay, so IInvest, it makes it easy to invest in Nigerian stock and Euro bonds. So the reason that they created this is because, again, like I told you earlier, Nigerians are very interested in having money in different currencies, just in case, because the Naira fluctuates so much that it's better to have Euro bonds and US dollar, US stock and stuff. So, and this is for Nigerians who want to have some money in a different and stronger currency. We are at the IInvest website. Risk-free, secure investment anywhere, anytime. The first ever app that enables you to securely purchase and manage treasury bills and Euro bonds from your mobile device. So it's purple everything. Risk-free, anywhere, anytime. The about section. Okay, so this is interesting. Treasury bills, Euro bonds, and equity. Treasury bills provide short-term funding for Nigerian government. Euro bonds are investments issued in a currency not native to the issuer's home country. It's European bonds. And then equities are stocks and shares issued by a company that carries no fixed interest. So it's pretty interesting. Then how easy it is to invest on IInvest in 4 easy steps. Download, register, login, invest. And then they talk about the app features and then FAQs. So download now and start investing. So let's check out the app. So as you see, I just created an account to show you guys, but also I'm going to start using this. And okay, so IInvest is kind of like Bamboo app. It's created for Nigerians who want to diversify their income. Just to recap, the 7 apps and websites to discuss is called Bamboo, Agro Partnerships, Thrive, AGRIC, wealth.ng, Piggy Vest, COWRYWISE, IInvest. Comment below and tell me other companies that you use to invest. Did I leave any company off of this list that should have been here? I'm learning as well as you, so let me know below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye now.